Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be doing a double unboxing of Young Living, and this will be for the months of April and May. So for those of you who don't know, Young Living is an essential oil company. However, they have lots of oil infused products. They have skincare products, personal care products. They have supplements and nutritional items. They have items designed for women, men, babies, children, pets, and everything in between. So each month I spend at least $50 on Young Living products, and so that used to be called the Essential Rewards program, but they are trying to transition into a different program. So this would be what I would call my Essential Rewards for the month of April and the month of May. We're going to get into the box to see what I got for each month. So I think this box right here is my April box. And it's been a while, so I can't really remember what I have ordered, but I have my packing slip. Set that to the side. And the first thing I see is the Orange Blossom Facial Wash. And so this is what I like to use for my nighttime skincare face wash. And so I was getting low on that. Let me read to you what it says about the Orange Blossom Facial Wash. All right, the Orange Blossom Facial Wash, it says, energize your beauty routine with Young Living's newly reformulated Orange Blossom Facial Wash, featuring a fresh aroma and designed to reduce surface oils and remove dirt and makeup. This gentle cleanser won't irritate sensitive skin. And it says, to use it, you're gonna wet your face with warm water, put a small amount into the palm of your hand and gently rub onto your skin, rinse and pat dry, and follow with the Orange Blossom Moisturizer to help skin feel soft. And so, let's see what's in. What other oils? I know it has orange in it, but it says it has lavender, rosemary, lemon, orange, and those are the main essential oils that I'm seeing, but there's lots of ingredients in this product. So those are the main essential oils that I see in that product. Next, I have something that my husband uses. This is the Mountain Mint Deodorant. Young Living deodorants are free of toxins and things like that. So it says the refreshing combination of botanicals with clove, peppermint, eucalyptus, and other pure essential oils fights odor to keep you smelling fresh and clean no matter what the day brings. Formulated without aluminum, petrochemicals, parabens, artificial colors, or synthetic fragrances. And the directions say to apply 3 to 4 light strokes to underarms. If necessary, turn dial to raise product. And so he likes this. Traditional men's deodorants tend to break out his underarms, and so this is one that we have found that doesn't do that. So that is the Mountain Mint. Now, it is not going to keep you from sweating, but it does deodorize or keep you smelling a little more fresh. So he likes that. And then I have a couple of tubes here. So each month I usually get a combination of personal care products, household products, and I always get a couple of essential oils. So, oh, okay, yeah, forgot about this. So this is the Shutran Beard Oil, and this is something that my husband likes as well. It is formulated, let me take that off. It's formulated with the Shutran Essential Oil, and it smells really, really good. Let me read to you what it says about the Shutran Beard Oil. All right, so Shutran Beard Oil features the great scent of our original Shutran Essential Oil blend, specially crafted to soften, condition, and add a healthy looking sheen to facial hair while moisturizing the skin underneath. And so the Shutran Essential Oil is what is in the beard oil, and so that contains Idaho Blue Spruce, Ocotea, Ylang Ylang, Hinoki, Coriander, Divana, lavender, cedarwood, lemon, northern lights, black spruce, and it smells really nice and manly. He likes that, so I try to order that about once every couple of months for him. I try to kind of stock up on it though, because it does go out of stock sometimes. And let's see, this should be an essential oil. Oh, good old trusty Thieves. And so Thieves Essential Oil is one of the essential oils that I order almost monthly. It's good for supporting the immune system. It's good for supporting the respiratory system. It smells like Christmas in a bottle, but I use it all year long. I often diffuse it at night with Raven Essential Oil blend, and that helps to support our immune and respiratory systems to keep us above the wellness line. So I'm going to read to you what's in Thieves. So it says, Thieves was inspired by the legend of 4 15th century French thieves who formulated a special aromatic combination composed of clove, rosemary, and other botanicals they used while robbing the dead and dying. Thieves is a powerful blend that contains the naturally derived constituents limonene and eucalyptol, and its ingredients are cloves, cinnamon bark, rosemary, lemon, and Eucalyptus radiata. And it says you can diffuse it, directly inhale, or dilute with V6 vegetable oil complex and apply topically. And that's something that I like to apply to my daughter's feet at night to help support her health and wellness, especially with everything that's been going on in 2020 and 2021. I want to do everything that I can to help support her health and wellness. So that was my essential rewards order for April. So the Orange Blossom, the Mountain Mint Deodorant, the Thieves Essential Oil, and the Shutran Beard Oil. And so my next box is my May Essential Rewards order. And I think they still call it Essential Rewards. I just know that they're trying to do like a subscribe and save type thing, kind of like what Amazon does. So I just really need to do a little more research to see what that's all about. And so here is my packing slip. Oh, this is actually, I use my points to order some extra items. So like when you're part of the Essential Rewards program, you get points back when you spend points each month on products. And so this is technically my Essential Rewards points order that I just did maybe about a week ago. And so there's only 2 items in here. So one of the items that I got was the Art Gentle Cleanser. And so I love this. So like I use the Orange Blossom for the nighttime facial wash, but this is my daytime facial wash. And so ART stands for, from what I understand, Age Refining Technology. And so I think it's good for supporting, you know, maybe more mature skin and things like that. Let me read to you what it says about the Art Gentle Cleanser. All right, so the Art Gentle Cleanser promotes glowing skin by washing away impurities with a soft, gentle lather infused with skin-loving essential oils. Your face will feel clean and refreshed with a renewed, radiant look. And it says to apply to wet hands and massage over face and neck with a circular motion. And so let's see what essential oils are in this particular face wash. And I'm just scanning for the essential oils here. Let's see, it has frankincense, royal Hawaiian sandalwood, melissa leaf oil, lemon essential oil, and lavender essential oil. And I love the way this one smells. I like the way the Orange Blossom smells, but I really like the way the Art Gentle Cleanser smells. And then, of course, I was running low on my lavender bath and shower gel, and so I tend to rotate between the lavender bath and shower gel and the Morning Start. And so I was running low on this, so I decided to go ahead and get some of this. This contains lavender, lemon, rosemary, davana, and myrrh essential oils. And so that's a good one. It doesn't lather up like your traditional body washes, but I do like to use it as a, like to lather up and use as a shave gel. And I like to use it that way, and it smells really good. Let me read to you about lavender bath and shower gel. All right, so it says, infused with pure lavender oil, lavender bath and shower gel cleanses, soothes, and relaxes your skin. It's free of chemicals and synthetic preservatives and contains plant-based ingredients such as coconut oil and star anise. Lather, wash, and rinse. Young Living has a variety of different other bath and shower gels. They have like Evening Peace, the Morning Start that I've used, Sensation, they have the Dragon Time, and those are the other ones that they have. So I really need to branch out and try just more than the lavender and the Morning Start, but those 2 have been, you know, the ones that I go back and forth between. So they're really nice. And so my actual May Essential Rewards order came in this bag, so I'm going to open that up. And I have my packing slip here. And I've been doing Young Living for over 6 years. I think I'm going on 7 years. And so each month I spend between about $50 and $100, but I pretty much kind of replenish the things that I need each month. And so it looks like these are all essential oils. And the first one is peppermint. And so this was just a good staple essential oil that I was running low on. I love to use peppermint to put in the diffuser with lemon and lavender and peppermint, that LLP diffuser blend that they talk about. It is a great one to add to baking soda and to sprinkle on your carpet as like a carpet refresh. I like that. It just smells really good. I also like to apply this like to my temples or the back of my neck or my shoulders if I need a little extra support. And so peppermint's a good one to have. Next, again, I stocked up on Thieves because I don't go without my Thieves. And so peppermint is a single. There's only peppermint in there, but Thieves is that essential oil blend that I read to you about earlier. So I have another Thieves essential oil blend. So that tube is empty. And then, oh yeah, lavender. I love lavender. I would say lavender was one of my favorites when I started out with Young Living. I actually like to make like a body spray using lavender. I just think it smells so good. And so this is really what I use for my perfume. But it also mixes well with a lot of different essential oils in the diffuser. I like to do lavender with that lemon and that peppermint that I talked about. But it also smells really good with orange. It just smells really nice and refreshing and clean. So lavender is a good one to have. And that's a single, just like peppermint. And then I have one more. Citrus Fresh. And so Citrus Fresh is an essential oil blend, just like Thieves. So that means that it has a combination of essential oils in it. All right, so let me read to you about Citrus Fresh. Featuring the fresh, bright aromas of 5 citrus essential oils plus spearmint, Citrus Fresh is perfect to wear as an inspiring personal fragrance or to diffuse and freshen any indoor environment. Its ingredients are orange, grapefruit, mandarin, tangerine, lemon, and spearmint. And it says that you can diffuse, directly inhale, or dilute with V6 vegetable oil complex and apply topically. And so a couple different ways that I like to use Citrus Fresh. I love to diffuse it, but when I put it in the diffuser, I put like a couple of drops of spearmint in with it. Even though it has spearmint in it, I like to give it a little extra kick of spearmint, and that smells really good. It also diffuses really well with Thieves. Those two smell really nice together. So Citrus Fresh is just a really good essential oil to have for spring and summer. It's great for the diffuser this time of year. So, all right, so here were the 2 Essential Rewards products that I got for free. And then my May order was all essential oils with the lavender, the peppermint, the Thieves, and the Citrus Fresh. All right, so if you guys have any questions about Young Living, let me know. If you use Young Living, tell me what some of your favorite products are. I'll leave my membership number down in the description box below. That way, if you want to click on the link and try some of these products for yourself, you can put in my membership number, and that will allow you to get some of these items for yourself. And until next time, bye guys.